Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you my pocket knife collection. Okay, let me back up. So first I have this. It's like a camping knife. Like that. And then have a flathead screwdriver and then like thumbs. And then it has some scissors. Then the next one is this one. This one is a wire board knife. It's like a hunter knife. And it also has like a shaver. You can shave with it. And then I have these pliers. This one is like dull. This one's like, it's kind of, the tip is just worn out. That's not old. It's not old, it's just worn out. This one's not really a pocket knife. It's just something I want to show. Like, it's a knife sharpener. It goes to any type of knife. Okay. The third one. This one. It has a clip and everything. The clip is pretty like this. And then, hold on, let me keep it steady. Focus, hold on. Focus. The camera's not focusing. Okay, y'all can probably see that. It's focused. Yeah, so, yeah. And then it's a really sharp blade. And then this is like, you can change the tip up. This tip is like really old. I had this tip like for a long time. Okay. Hold on. There we go. And then this is the last one. I don't have a big one. This is one of my favorites now. My favorites. This one. This is also a hunting knife. It's like a little bit old, so. This is my favorite. When we go camping, like, I'm always gonna bring this. And when we go camping, I'm gonna take y'all with it. And this one's bigger than my hand. The blade's bigger than my hand. And also this one. Yeah. And then if you can see where it's from, hold on. Focus camera. Focus, hold on. Focus. Hold on. Now focus. Yeah. And the way you can close it is just like the razor blade. You hold it. This one is really hard to close. It's like really cool though. So, yeah. And this broke a couple times, so we had to put this on. Yeah. If you want to know what it's from, like this video. And then I'm going to put it inside the link. I'm going to put inside the link where it's from. Or I'm going to just, I'm not going to put inside the link. I'm just saying right now. This one, if y'all want to get it, it's from a mall. It's from this type of mall where you can get your knife design. You can pick out a knife and then design it with your own type of design, which you can draw out. And I wanted this one. I drew this one. You know I had to go to go. And then this one you just get from Walmart. This one, Walmart. This one, the same place as this one. It's the same, hold on. It's the same place as that one. And this one I got from, what's it called? Cub Scouts. You don't get these in Boy Scouts. I got this from Cub Scouts. But guys, I hope y'all like my Pokemon collection. Hold on. I gotta clean up all of this. Hold on. Wait, I got more. Okay. We gotta have to get rid of this in 3, 2, 1. Yes! All gone. And I got this box. This is like a whittling one. This is a whittling. It's not a knife. It's just whittling. And this is the one that I made right there. And I also made this handmade. I need to get a tip from it. As you can see, I use nail clippers to hold it out, and then like wood to carve it and stuff. And then in the next video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a cardboard pocket knife. This one is like one. I made this when I was 3. I didn't know how to make them. But I'm going to show y'all how to make one. I'm going to show you how to make one. And right now. Okay, this is how you make one. So this one's like a super sawmy knife, just like I had my other one. It has 2 blades, flick, flickity, flick. And then it can't go past here because you can put a little lock right here. Like that, and then it's locked. No, that's not the right lock, hold on. There's a whole bunch of locks that I added to it. Like that. Hold on. That lock right there. It's that lock. What stops it. Yeah, I'm going to show you how to make something like this in the next video. I made this like a couple months ago. So, this, I don't know what to do next. Actually, I might have enough time to show you. Like I'm doing the next video. And I'm going to also do the Call of Duty Part 2. Peace. Follow, like.